Hi Faye, welcome to MaiMoments, and today I'm going to share with you how I'm going to put this makeup on and wearing this mask, still looking flawless, and I'm still having my makeup on my face and it's not going to transfer all into this mask. And I'm going to show you step by step of how to wear the mask correctly, because I have seen many people wear it incorrectly and telling me that your glasses all frog up. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. Check out my video. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is what I use for my eyebrows today. This is such an amazing product. This is the Wonder Brows. The colors is brunette. This is a brown gel, and as you can see, the application is not the greatest. It's kind of like a lip gloss, which is extremely weird. So if you want to learn how I carve out my eyebrows, and what amazing about this product is that if you're going to rub it back and forth, trust me, it's not gonna come off. The only way it's come off is you using this like 2 times in order to really take it off. So with that being said, we are going to continue doing our eyebrow. We are going to do our eyes, what products I'm using in order to make sure it lasts. And then it's the COVID season, so I want to wear a mask and it's not going to disturb any of my foundations or makeup or anything like that. First, I'm going to apply Urban Decay Eyeshadow's Primer Potions. So currently I am obsessed with this color right now. It's super easy to create a beautiful look using this product. And another thing what I love about this one is dry. It's really hard to like go out. And whenever you apply like powder on top of it, it's going to help it to last longer. So as you can see that you can use your ring finger and then just blend out the colors, and it's so fast. I'm talking about you can definitely have a amazing eye color in an instant because you are not using too much products. This is the main one. As you can see that I just splatter around my eyelid and bam, it's already create a beautiful colors. Extremely easy, and it's going to be so blendable and easy to blend it out, and it's so smooth. If you are a type of person that just want to have, you know, one color for your lid, this is absolutely a way to go, because it's a metallic color where you shift to the left and to the right. It's casting the color, so it's making like it have 2 colors, but the fact is only having 1 color. So that's it for one. As you can see, it's so easy, it's so fast. That's why this is my new obsessions. And I want some colors. Definitely I'm going to dig in this package right here. I really enjoyed this Candy Peach. So this is like easy colors that you can really wear it every day. It's not going to be too much, it's not going to be too bright. I'm using a M456 Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip in this colors Candy Peach right here, and the smell is absolutely amazing. It's like peach. And I'm just going to blend it in like this. Is this not the fastest way to do your makeup? Oh my gosh. You can definitely like stop from here, but I'm just obsessed with coloring my inner corners with a lighter colors because it's going to help brighten my eyes and creating a bigger eye illusion. Although I have a very tiny eyes, but hey, we just going to find a way to actually cover our imperfections. Okay, so I'm going to use a angle brush, and then I'm dipping into Candy Peach, and I'm going to shade under my eyes right here. And then I'm going to have another colors to brighten up the area. So I'm going to use the Lunch Money, and this is also ColourPop. And this is a point crease, and I'm just going to dip it in here and blend in my corner of my eyes. And by the way, this is actually a highlighting product, but I use for my eyes because you don't always have to follow the rule. It's makeup, so that's why you make it up. You don't always have to follow the rule, but it helps what products is going to be good for what. and then we are going to apply on here.
To highlight my brown bones, I'm using a ColourPop Lunch Money.
And that is definitely it. That is super fast, super easy. You only need like 1, 2, 3 products and you're good. And you just look perfect. And what amazing about this product, it does last long. And once ever you glide something that is wet on something that is powdered, it's going to keep it for lasting the whole day. Although you can definitely use this by itself, but I just want to have the extra pop, the extra gleam, so that's why I'm adding more colors. And for the end colors, you don't always have to go with this colors. You can always pick something that is darker, lighter, or something that is going to be into your preference daily look. Right now, I'm really into this Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliners, and it's so amazing. You have to be extremely careful with this because once you mess it up, you cannot take it out.
I want to pop some color on my mid-lid, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty. This is How Many Carat, and it's going to make your eyes going to be glossy and shiny.
Next, I'm going to put on my fake eyelashes because it's a must. We still want to look lame. We still want to look pretty. So, this is like my favorite eyelashes glue and I cannot live without it. So I remember that I bought this when it was on sale, and after I used it one time, I ran back to the store, which is Ulta, where I purchased it, and bought another one just to make sure if this run out, I have a backup. I always have a backup to my makeup because when I like something, it's just like my staple products that I cannot live without. So this is the one that I really enjoy. Oh, another thing that if you want to make sure that you are going to put your lashes correctly is that before you place it on your eye, just wait for a second and then rub it back and forth to loosen the band. Blow on it to dry up the glue before placing it, because if it's still wet, it's easy to shift and it's going to be mess up your eye color. And that's it. So during this right now, it's very critical for you not to blink like crazy. You just have to kind of open like gently and closing your eye gently if you need it to. And then use your finger to press it in just to make sure that it's going to be secure. So I'm going to use a Smashbox. This is a face primer, and I'm going to put it all over my face.
Using a damp beauty blender, I'm using a foundations, which is Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1. This is number 4 medium beige, and I'm just going to bounce all over my face, making sure that it's going to look flawless. I do look like I straight up got out of jungle. I'm using a Tarte shape tape. This is a light neutral, and copy where I place and use a beauty blender to bounce it out.
To update you guys on what I'm doing, I'm looking for financial advisors, and that's my next stage of life, what I'm going to do. Some of you probably think that, oh my gosh, you're too young, you're only 25, why you over here need to already plan your retirement? First of all, you need to plan your retirement way ahead of the time that you retire, because sometimes it's really too late. Whenever you are going to invest in stock, bonds, mutual fund, you need time for it to grow. So over the period of 10 years to 20 years is have a possibility for you to grow. If you're going to do a long term and you think that you're going to be like rich the next day, that won't happen. You usually get slammed by the tax that is going to tax you for every product that you sell for the next day instead of waiting for a 1 year period. And sorry, by the way, I have my nephew at the back and they are going crazy because it's been a long time since they come. And another thing that I want to encourage you about, I mean, this is beauty channel, but what the heck, I have my degree in finance and accounting, and that's so as always, I'm trying to incorporate in a video or teach you something that I know just to make sure that you guys are going to be not the beauty from the outside, but it's also beauty from the inside. Intelligent is the key, it's the new sexy. So you make sure that you are going to be knowledgeable, intelligent, and willing to learn. And so the reason why I've been trying to search out for this financial advisors for the longest time is over a 2 years period already, because I just want to select the right person. It's easier to select a random person, but selecting a person that you trust and they believe in you is actually extremely hard, and they're doing for you instead of thinking for themselves. Yes, a lot of financial advisors do, you know, want to make the best commissions, want to make the best money out of the person, but hey, not everybody are going for the money. When you are successful, you are passionate at what you're doing, money does go a long way. So you don't have to seek it. When you seek for money, it's not talk about passion. You're not going to be happy at the end of the day, and you're going to be stressed and worried, because if you say something wrong, it can be definitely backfire you. So with that being said, I need to interview like 4 or 5 different financial advisors, and I do have the list of questions I mentioned to ask them, and also I need to know who they are, what is their personalities. Are they there to sell me something, a salesman, or are they there to be a teacher? I'm looking for a teacher, you know, that teach me understanding, because I'm not, first of all, I'm not going to invest in something I completely not knowledgeable of something, because it's my money, it's my hard-earned money, and I don't want you guys to fall upon that situation where you over here applying something that you don't know. You have to understand how the number, how did they get paid. You should not be shy of asking that. If they are shy of mentioning those information, then don't choose them, because they have to be transparent with you. They have to be ethical, and also knowing that your need is first, not them. What I love about this blushes is that it's going to last you a really long time. So if you were using a powders, yeah, it's gonna be gone in an hour or 2 hours. But if you're using like blushes that is going to be liquid like this, it's going to definitely last you the whole day.
As for my normal routine, I'm going to use a Hoola Benefit, and this is such a beautiful bronzer that I'm going to apply around my face and also especially my hairline to make my face look smaller. For highlighter, I'm using a ColourPop, and this once again is Lunch Money, and I'm just going to shade on the colors under my eye.
So I'm using a lip liner from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to shade out my lips.
For lipstick, I'm using Matte Stay by Maybelline. This is a great product.
I'm telling you, you have to be extremely careful when applying this color, because once you mix it up, guess what? You cannot take it off unless you take off the whole makeup off. Ugh, it's gonna be horrible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on any other excess.
Spray on your favorite setting spray, spray it and forget about it. I'm using matte setting spray in a different bottle.
Okay, so a critical things that I want to let you know that whenever you wear this, make sure the middle bar is actually going to be on top on your nose bridge, and then pull this down like this and wear it on your ear. So it's gonna secure you like this. I understand it look absolutely ridiculous, but we just want to be safe than sorry. So right here you can see it's covering on both sides, which is very important. Another thing that I want to mention is that for those of you wearing glasses or sunglasses, sometimes it's going to be extremely foggy. So this is the technique. If you are going to place your glasses right here, make sure that this is going all the way up toward your bridge, and since the middle bar is going to be right here, it's actually going to block any air that is going to escape going up to your eyes. So as you can see, I'm over here talking like normal, but you can see that I do not get any fog up into my eye. And as you can see, the makeup in here just going to transfer just a little bit. You need to acknowledge this is more like a napkins versus a plastic glove, you understand? So it's gonna take off some of your makeup, but for my makeup for today, the products I use is not gonna be a major problem. You can see my lipstick and it's still staying there, it's still staying in place, it's not smearing around on my face, although I did wear makeup talking in here. So you need to know that this makeup going to help you last all day if you are wearing makeup, if you are a nurse or a doctor and you just want to look still glam, but you need to wear this, right? You have a date going on after and bam, you have to put that all day and you've got your lipstick. So this is why it's a great investment on this lipstick right here. I absolutely love it because it costs less than $10 and it's going to last you a really long time. This is a wrap for today. Make sure to check out my other video for more amazing content, and don't forget to give this video a like. Comment below of what you want to see next. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.